All right, got to check out this new product we just got in. It's called Tanus Armour. If you're tired of flat tires, which most of myself and my customers are, this is the product to get. It's the ultimate solution, I think. In the past, you had just a basic inner tube, stickers, glass, anything punctures through your tire, you get a flat tire. The next line of defense was a thicker inner tube, little heavy duty tube like that. Again, a little denser, helped a little bit. The next thing from there was, if you were more performance or wanted something different, a tire liner. Different brands, different names, Mr. Tuffy, but basically a tire liner. You could do that and a thorn resistant, even better protection. Now with the Tanus, you have, as you can see, a huge thick foam insert that goes inside your tire. Your inner tube is installed inside of that. You can run this flat if need be. You can run lower air pressures for more comfort and more traction. Just an amazing product. You got to come in and check them out.